Hello there, in this video we are going to see how to install Office 2016. So I already have the setup file of Office 2016. I just had ISO file I just extracted using 7-zip. Now I have the setup file. You need to click on setup file, double click on yes. Now you have two choice. One is install now, another one is customize. Let's see what we can see inside customize. When you clicked on the customize, suppose you really don't want to use OneDrive, you can just not available, so this will not install. Suppose you really don't need it, Microsoft Publisher, select this one. Okay, suppose you really don't know Office shared future, so not available. So whatever you are saying, whatever you are selecting not available, this tool will not going to be installed inside your PC. Access role not really needed, so just not available. OneDrive is not needed. PowerPoint is of course needed. Outlook, OneNote, and the OneDrive for business not needed. Skype, if you need Skype, you can just enable it, run from my PC. Okay, run from my computer. If you not needed it, not available. All right, if you're not selecting this, you will see the changes of total space required on the drive. If suppose I'm enabling all the things, run all from my computer, you could see it is increasing 3.51. Then I will enable this one also, 354, 369, 389, 4 GB. All right, if you want to install everything, you can just select all and just click on install now. If you really don't want one of them, just uncheck that and just click on install. Right, so it takes around at least 10 minutes to install the application. That depends on the the RAM processor as well. So I'll pause the video. Once we are about to finish, I'll resume it again and I will show you what are the application is installed. At the time we have selected all the applications, so it should be installed all the applications. It's about to complete. I could see when I went to start menu, could see folder is available and the all application which we have selected while installation, those all applications are there. Access, database, Excel, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Skype, Word. The installation is almost complete. It's doing there some stuff. It takes around 2 more minutes to get it done. Alright, so finally the installation is completed. This window will come up on the screen. Just leave this message, some updates were not installed. That's okay, totally fine. Just close it. Now I will go to start menu. I will go to the Microsoft Office, new, click on it. Try to access Outlook, not Outlook, the PowerPoint. Okay, it's working perfectly. I'll go another. I will search for Excel. Excel is opening. I am looking for what file. It is also working. So all right, so installation is completed. Let's see in another video to how to uninstall the 2016 Office. All right, bye bye.